Hello everyone, my name is Varun and today we'll be exploring Samba, stealing password hashes and decrypting them. So what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate the vulnerability which exists in the specific version of Samba which we can exploit to gain root access. After the root access, we gain the password hash file, we copy them into the attacker's machine, and using John the Ripper tool, we are going to recover the password into plain text, and this can be done by logging into the shell. So let's get started. As you can see, this is the lab setup which we're going to use. So we are going to have two computers connected to LAN, the victim and the attacker. The victim is going to be the Metasploit, and while the attacker is going to be the Kali VM, and they are connected to a switch and the external router, and the internet. This is done in order for the external not to view these systems. So we start by going into the console of the Metasploit exploitable. We have started it up. So we log in using the MSF admin. And we are in the shell. So what we are going to do is we are going to record the IP address. So it's going to be 1.3, and the next is going to be the Metasploit pinging the Kali machine. So the Kali machine is the one who is the attacker, and to see the connectivity we are going to see its IP address. So this is going to be 1.4. Simple ping. It is working. Now we're going to start the attack. So for this we will go into the Kali VM and we try to perform a nmap scan. So for this we have nmap. So this is going to take some time. I'm going to pause the video. Alright, so with this we can see that there are so many vulnerable ports in this one, and since we are exploiting Samba, so the most vulnerable ports for it are 129 and 145. So when we are trying to exploit it, we're going to see which ones we're going to use. So for this hack, we are going to use the MSF console. So we start by typing MSF console in Kali VM. It's going to start and it's going to take some time. So I'm going to pause the video till that. And the MSF console has booted up. You can see the nice logo here. So we're going to see Samba based attack. So we're going to see search Samba. So its database is not cached, so it's going to perform the search. The script has come up with the results. So we can see there are so many vulnerabilities which are currently existing. And we can see there are a few excellent ones. Some gateway execution, and we can see that there's user map script. We are going to use the user map script. So we're going to copy this and say use that, and we have logged in the user map script. Now we need to say show hosts. We have to set options. So it says the host is not set, so we say set host, and that is set. We can say show option just to see, yep, it is there, and now we hit exploit. So I set the wrong host, so I'm gonna set it up. Let's try it again. Exploit connected, and then command prompt is in. Alright, let's see who am I? Root. That is good. We are in the shell. Can just check my config. You see, we are in the victim right now, for victim. Now we are going to catch the passwords. So these are the password files. Now we're going to display the shadow file. This is the shadow file. I'm going to copy that. The editor I'm using is an inbuilt editor called Nano. Very handy. You won't even need a VI or a gedit. Next, we need to unshadow the password. So unshadow password file and password shadow, and it goes into for my password. So in Kali Linux, we have the John Ripper already installed. So we just need to hit John shadow and my password. Look at this, it has already decrypted MSF admin, Postgres, and everything. So that's it. So it has cracked the password using the unshadowed file. And this is the end of the hack. Thank you for watching.